Hey there, it's Megan with WTI, and I drink coffee on the daily. And I was really happy lately to get to try a great everyday coffee, this Canadian Heritage Roasting Company medium roast coffee. This delicious tasting coffee comes in whole bean format, which is personally my favorite since I have the option to grind it more coarse or fine, depending on how I want to prepare it. As soon as I open the bag, the coffee smells so intoxicatingly amazing. This delightful aroma preview meant I could not wait to prepare my coffee. This coffee is really nicely balanced. It has that nice, rich, full taste of the coffee without being overly bold or in my face. It's a really smooth drinking coffee. I find it to be great for my everyday coffee in the morning or for mid-afternoon. I've prepared it using my French press and my pour over system, and I've gotten great results each time. I love seeing that gorgeous little bit of coffee crema on the top, which tells me that this is really freshly roasted coffee. The packaging is really beautifully designed, and I love how each of the coffee varieties kind of give a little nod to the Canadian wild. This variety has the name and likeness of the grizzly bear, and I also really like how the packaging is resealable. It feels good to know that these beans are roasted right here in Canada by owners that are working to conserve the environment. I found that these beans make a really easy drinking, enjoyable, crowd-pleasing cup of coffee, and I look forward to drinking it every day. But that's just my point of view.